Hi everyone! Welcome to our vlogs!
Kumusta ka kayong lahat?
Hi guys! We're walking. James is there.
Kumusta ka?
And this little June, say hi!
Say hi.
You say hi? Yes, we're walking down here. Because James, you want to walk?
Yes.
Yes.
Want to walk a
Yeah.
little bit. Yeah.
This is not a busy street.
Yeah, it's not busy at all.
A cat here, a black and white cat. Yeah. Walang ganong dumadaan na sasakyan dito kaya dito kami dumaan. May gustong bilhin si James. Ito pa yung dalawang pusa. Ang daming bunga ng malunggay. Ayan. Hey Junjun! Where are you going? Oh, you're going to the store? Guys, nakauwi na kami ng bahay. Nakapaglakad namin pa uwi. Ayan, nakabili si James ng Max. You like this, Max?
Yep.
Max menthol candy.
I love that.
Yeah, honey lemon. At kanyang kinakain na potato fries. You like that potato fries?
Yeah, potato fries.
Yes.
I love these.
Yes.
These are my two favorite snacks.
Oh, bumuli na rin pala kami guys ng dalawang balot ng manok, yung sangkap, pechay, sibuyas, patatas, tsaka repolyo, tsaka yung pamintang buo. Yan. Luto ko dito ay nilagang manok. Gustong gusto niya yung kinakainin guys, yung potato fries, tsaka yung candy na ito, Max honey lemon. Okay. Ayun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye!
Yeah.